Right, so now we know. Hi guys. I've got no sympathy for these two Aboriginal men. They would be alive if they weren't trying to loot. It's as simple as that. This is in Townsville Floods. All men, all cultures are equal. Right? So, okay. But I'll report they're two Aboriginal men because that's what they are. Right, the media says two men found dead in a flood after looting. They don't say Aboriginal, right? I like to put the facts, right? Channel 9 are crap. Two dirtbags who try to break the law or were breaking the law, stealing stuff from other people. Well, probably unsaved. And if they are, they're burning in hell for eternity. That's all. It's very sad for these two Aboriginal men. Okay, thank you.